Hello, welcome to a new tutorial video. In this video you will learn how to import 3D Google Maps in Blender. First you need to download the Blism plugin for Blender. Search for Blism Blender. Go to the GitHub page and look for Blism to download. The application is free, but you can donate money for further development. Use Google Maps in the web browser to see if your area of interest is available in 3D. Select Satellite View as base map. Now the option for 3D view is available. Orbit around with the Control key and left mouse button. Now you can open the Blender application and install Blism. Open Preferences and select Add-ons. Click on Install and select the downloaded files from Blism. When the application is installed, you must enter the Google Maps API key. Blism is now ready to be used. The first step is to click Select to locate the project area we want to download. Click on the search icon and enter a recognizable name, such as address or, in this sense, circuit name. The next step is to select the area we want to download. Adjust the rectangle to your liking. When you are satisfied with the project area, click Copy. Now you can open Blender and select the Paste button. Select the Google 3D Tiles data source. Click Import. Now the 3D Google Mesh will be imported. It takes a short moment. Set the view distance further, so that the mesh will be visible. To see the mesh with textures, select Viewport Shading. The 3D Google Maps textured mesh is now available to use and edit in Blender. Use Edit mode to edit the mesh triangles. Remove parts of the mesh, or use the knife tool for editing the triangles. Use the knife tool, so you can add triangles, and move the new vertexes. I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions or tips, please contact me. These videos are to help people. Subscribe to this channel for more.